Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Friday. Which period is this? GK period, and the topic is vegetables. Today we will learn vegetables name. Students, which vegetable is? Which vegetable is? Tomato. Tomato. 2 tomatoes. Yes, its color is red. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I like tomatoes. Which vegetable is? Onion. These are onion. Yes. Do you like onion? I don't. Which vegetable is this? Potato. These are potatoes. Yes. Do you like potato? Yes, I like potato. We make finger chips with potato. Which vegetable is this? Green chili. Green chili. Yes, its color is green. Its color is green. Which vegetable is this? Garlic. Garlic. Its color is white. Here is some flashcards. Radish. This is the picture of radish. Radish. This is the picture of carrot. Carrot. This is the picture of potato. Potato.